What's up, y'all? It's Boss Lady Simone here. I'm here to tell y'all I will not be posting everything on Boss Lady no more. Everything that I do will have its own page. My DIYs will be on its own page. The vegan food will be on its own page. So y'all gonna just have to tune in. I don't know what to tell y'all. I mean, I just can't do it no more. It's too much on one page. It's too much to look at. Everything on this Boss Lady Simone channel will be just strictly beauty. My other channel will be strictly DIYs, strictly vegan food. So if you want to follow all three channels, baby, go on right ahead. Because I already have another channel, Boss Lady Simone Headquarters. That's strictly for all my, that's where I have all my products, the best products in the city.